Creating and selling online courses with passive income potential in 2024, tailored for beginners. Step 1. Identify your niche. Choose a topic you're passionate about and have expertise in. Research popular topics on online platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare. Validate your idea by searching for relevant keywords on Google Trends. Step 2. Define your target audience. Identify your ideal student demographics, interests, and pain points. Create buyer personas to help you understand their needs and behaviors. Research popular online communities and forums related to your niche. Step 3. Outline your course content. Break down your course into modules or lessons. Create a clear outline with specific topics and objectives. Ensure each lesson is concise and actionable. Step 4. Plan your course structure. Decide on the format of your course: video, text-based, interactive, etc. Create a logical flow of lessons and modules. Consider adding bonus materials or resources. Step 5. Design your course visuals. Create engaging graphics, illustrations, or animations for your course. Use a consistent design style throughout the course. Consider hiring a professional designer or using design tools like Canva. Step 6. Record your course content. Plan your recording schedule and equipment needs. Record high-quality video or audio content, well-lit space with minimal distractions. Step 7. Edit and refine your content. Review your recordings for errors, grammar, and clarity. Edit your content to ensure it's concise and engaging. Add captions, subtitles, or closed captions for accessibility. Step 8. Choose a course platform. Research popular course platforms like Udemy, Teachable, Thinkific, or Kajabi. Consider factors like ease of use, customization options, and payment processing. Choose the platform that best fits your needs and goals. Step 9. Set your course price. Research competitors' pricing strategies in your niche. Consider the value your course provides to students. Set a price that balances profitability with student affordability. Step 10. Create a sales page. Design an attention-grabbing sales page with compelling copy and visuals. Highlight the benefits, features, and testimonials of your course. Include a clear call to action (CTA) to encourage sales. Step 11. Develop a marketing strategy. Identify your target marketing channels: social media, email, paid ads, etc. Create engaging content, blog posts, videos, podcasts, etc. to promote your course. Use email marketing automation tools to nurture leads and encourage sales. Step 12. Launch your course. Launch your course on the chosen platform or website. Promote your course through social media, email marketing, and paid ads. Encourage early reviews and testimonials to boost credibility. Step 13. Deliver customer support. Respond to student inquiries and provide support through email or live chat. Offer additional resources or support materials to help students succeed. Encourage feedback and use it to improve the course. Step 14. Monitor and analyze performance. Track student engagement, completion rates, and sales metrics. Analyze data to identify areas for improvement. Use insights to refine your marketing strategy and optimize course content. Step 15. Scale your course business continuously. Create new content or updates to existing courses. Expand your marketing reach through partnerships or collaborations. Explore opportunities for affiliate marketing or sponsored content. By following these steps, you can create a successful online course with passive income potential. Remember to focus on providing value to your students while continuously improving and refining your course.